Hello students, today we are going to learn about our first chapter, that is sentences. So the first question comes here is, what are sentences? In a simple words we can say that a group of words that makes a complete meaning or sense is called a sentence. Or we can say that a group of meaningful words is called a sentence. If we read the definitions carefully, we get there are two conditions in it. First, there should be a group of words, and second, there should be a complete meaning. If we take an example, we have a group of words like the park, in, the boys are playing. Here we have a group of words, but it doesn't have a complete meaning. So if we arrange these words like this, the boys are playing in the park, now here are group of words and a complete meaning too. Here comes the most important point, that a sentence always starts with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Now practice some questions here. So the first question is, my birthday 16th July on is. Good. So the answer is, my birthday is on 16th July. Second, children good, the truth always tell. Good. So the correct answer is, good children always tell the truth. Third, books the shelves on there are. Good. There are books on the shelves. Next, is the dog animal faithful? The correct answer is, the dog is a faithful animal. Next, TV watch in evening the we. Correct. We watch TV in the evening. Now, my dear students, we have statement versus question. We have kinds of sentences where we have first one, statements versus question. Now question comes, what are statements? Statements are telling sentences. Means whatever we speak or whatever comes from our mouth is a statement. Like, Rama is my friend. Lion is a carnivorous animal. The children are playing in the park. It was hot yesterday. Each of the above sentences states something. It makes a statement. It is called a statement. Now remember one thing, that a statement ends with a full stop. Now if statements are telling sentences, what are questions? Questions are asking sentences. The sentences which used to ask a question or know any information are asking sentences. That's why they are questions. Like, how are you? What's your name? Where are you going? Are you a student? Each of the above sentences ask a question and is therefore called a question or an interrogative sentence. Questions are also known as interrogative sentences. A question ends with a question mark. Now we have another kind of sentences, exclamatory sentences. Now what are exclamatory sentences? An exclamatory sentence expresses a sudden strong feeling. Like, what a pain. Ouch, I have hurt my toe. Such a silly girl. Wow, what an amazing cake. How well she sings. Now must remember one thing, an exclamatory sentence ends with an exclamation mark. Now we have very important point, that when you read a sentence, in that sentence there are two parts. The first one is subject, that is also known as naming part, and second one is predicate, that is known as telling part. Now we have what are subjects and what are predicates, we will come to know. A subject is what or whom the sentence is about, while a predicate is the part that tells something about a noun. In a simple definition, we can say that whatever is spoken about a subject is called a predicate. If we take an example here, the sun rises in the east. In this sentence, the sun is our naming part. That's why it is a subject. And rises in the east tells us something about the sun. That's why it is a predicate. Now, practice some questions. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Very good. Humpty Dumpty is our subject. Sat on a wall is a predicate. A baby girl named Virginia Dear was born in Virginia. Correct. A baby girl named Virginia Dear is our subject, was born in Virginia, predicate. The early bird catches the worm. Good. The early bird is subject, catches the worm is predicate. Now, we have the last topic here is use of commas. We use commas to separate words that come one after another in a sentence. Nouns, adjectives. Like Sanya, Tanya, Reena and Aditi are friends. So we will put comma after Sanya, Tanya, Reena and Aditi are friends. He is tall, gentle and handsome will be he is tall, comma, gentle and handsome. Second point is to signal a short pause. Means we use commas to signal a short pause. Like, yes, I want some lemonade. In December, it is very cold. May I go to the park, please? No, I don't want tea. Third, we use commas to separate the name of the person being spoken to. Like, Nana, shut the door. Come here, Shubham. That's all for today. Thank you.